Menteri Sarkar Rakkam sangma kesengi baar laong ba kajing Ïarap ya Nong India Kiba sa hari Bangladesh kadai ban long da keba pensyong nongrem ya kajing sngo para briu da kaniam. Ula krenya kene habatheu sha kipai khasip nar bat ki garo Kiba sa ha Bangladesh kabadan menta hapedeng kathma ya snam bat jingbam syong sok. Ula ong ba la ban tip ka kaban jia la shai. Shukhin la shai baro kipai khasi jantia bat garo Kiba sa ha kapot jong kari Bangladesh lada don kanok jingjia hoi klempep kin persang banwan ritngen ha kari bat jela balasnyo bade banwat ya kilat kilinti kumno banyarap yaki halor kajingsnyo parabriu ya kaban sashimrai da ka sarkar India ong Rakkam.
What is happening in our neighboring country Bangladesh is very unfortunate. It's a very matter of concern to every citizen on the earth, including the Indians. This is going to be directly affected. Yes, as you said, our brother and sister is also there towards the Bangladesh side, be it Garo, Kasi, and the Jaintia, and others tribe too, which are one way or other we are always connected. So if that things happen, it's a matter to be discussed at the government of India level. Yes, definitely, because on the humanitarian ground, if anything's happened, because they are our people. Yes, we have a boundary separated, on the political boundary we have with our neighboring country. But despite the concern is always with everybody. So yes, this is a very challenging and tricky situation to the nation, to the government to be decided. Yes, they are our people, but they are separated by the political boundary and they are outside Indian territory. Yes, on the humanitarian, anything can happen. Anything may happen. As of now, we don't have any information, immediate issues that arise out of all this challenging, but it may happen so. So because this happened in 1971 too. Yes, if I'm not wrong. So yes, so if this can happen, yes, definitely my constituency shared a border of about 80 kilometers with Bangladesh, where along the border is our own people, like Garo only. So if situation arise, I will definitely I will be have a word with Honorable Chief Minister and let our Honorable Chief Minister should have a word with our government of India's level. So this is something that a government of India level should decide and should discuss.
So you are
No,
if the
it's not. We don't know what will happen tomorrow. So if all suppose for the sake of discussion tomorrow, excuse me, tomorrow all the Garo citizen, the Kasi Jaintia citizen living along the border inside the Bangladesh side, if anything happen, any untoward incident happen, yes, definitely they will try to take a refuge in our country, in our state. That time, I think the decision has to be find, and we have to explore the possibility. What should we do? Should we say no, or should we help them on humanitarian ground? It is to be decided by the Ministry of Home Affairs, Government of India, and also the state government. Yes, definitely. There will be never say no on humanitarian ground to save the life of any citizen, because there is no we will not commit any sin in helping any what you call any person who is on the on such a situation. So yes, definitely. So yeah, this is not only for the first time. This already happened in the past too. So definitely, government of India always find a way, and as a government, as a state government, definitely, yes, this is going to be directly affected our people, both outside and inside too. So yeah, we have to find a way how to what you call if the situation arise on the humanitarian ground, as a state government, as a central government, as a individual, it's a every individual to be take a call on this. No, I feel we should not go by the religion, right? There are many Garo who are not Hindu, they're Christian. There are many Khasi and Jainti, who may not be Christian, who may be Christian, if we decide by the religion, yes, one may have been get help and one others not. I think I personally feel right. Suppose they belongs to some same tribe. Not the forget about the religion, right? So helping a people does not measure with what religion you follow. Humanitarian ground doesn't have any say, doesn't have any consideration based on the religion, right? But mostly, I'm not talking about on the religion based on the people of our community. If situation arise, yes, definitely, as an individual, we have to find a way. Any commands because why? There are many Muslim people who follow the Hindu religion. There are many Garo, there are many Jaintials and many Khasis and any other tribe who might be following the Muslim religion. Will you decide so? I think it is not. I think yes, the tribes, the community belongs to the same group. Maybe have a definitely we always have a soft corner because definitely both Khasi and the Garo and the Jaintia we don't know what religion they practice, what religion they belongs, but they are from the same community that have a different to say altogether.